How? Because you have time, you have all the references that you've collected in process of learning, and you're also measuring how you are learning with your tasks. So all these three things makes it wonderful, and it's a very powerful, simple knowledge app that you have created today that can not only multiply the efforts of your self-paced learning, it also gives you new frontiers and motivates you to continuously keep learning. And that's all from the demo today. You have any queries, the forum is open. We can discuss on the question and answers before we try to conclude the rest of the tasks on the presentation. And we are good to take the question and answers. The forum is open.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful demo. And many thanks for your inputs and insights throughout 1.5 hour now. I have one question here.
Yes, yes, Nandan.
Uh, you started saying this, regards to that starting an idea or starting
Correct,
through data or starting through uh, the sample.
correct,
So if we are using
hmm,
through an idea,
correct.
do we have to go through the same protocols like adding the tasks or the gallery or anything as such, or it's gonna be
No, no, this was just a demo
yeah,
that could connect you on the concept of self-paced learning. Because
yes,
for self-paced learning, there are some things that you require, right? So
yes,
this
true,
demo
true, true.
was purely tailored for that. But there is nothing like that. You can build anything.
Okay,
Like for
so
example, I'll just show you a little case here. Now I want to connect something that is more like a map, or I would like to say where is the place I want to go, right? What I can do is I can go over here, go back to my Excel sheet, and in the gallery part, I'll just add one more column called address. Let's say I have to go and figure out from institute what I have to learn and all. What I can do, I can go back to my data here, right? And in the table and in the column, what I can go in the gallery and say, regenerate my structure.
okay,
So it automatically considers that, are you sure? And it does the changes. Why I'm doing this, I'll let you know in a minute. It's so easy, right? So now it has added the address. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the UX view and I'll add a kind of a map. I'll add a map, right? And that's all. I'll not do anything. I'll just use something called as a map, my map or my place map. Okay, I'll just put it as a place map, and I'll go here and just change the behavior of that so that I know what I am looking at, so that I don't get confused. Uh, I'll go to something called as a map, and I click this one, right? So that shows
okay,
me, yeah, it's a map, right? So it just helps me to check that. And I'll go also, I'll display where I have to show this. Uh, Typically, I'll say it's the leftmost, so it will come over there, and I'll say save. Now, what I'll do is I'll just go and uh, here go to the gallery, and
hmm,
everything what I'll do, I'll just go and add address to each of it, right? Let's I just want to show you, right? I'll just say Martha Halli. Okay, it is automatically it takes it Bangalore.
yes,
I don't need to,
okay,
because it uses Google Address API, right?
yeah,
Now next I'll go to the second one, and I'll go and say more as silk board. Okay, Okay, so it has come Madiwala stage 2, whatever. Okay,
Yes.
that is fine. Still both flyover. Then third one, I'll try to. I'll just let me finish this part. Then I'll show you how beautiful this can be. It's like Kormangla, right? So I add this one, then Kormangala, Bengaluru. So I've changed all the things. Now when I go
Okay.
to the map view, you see all these things are already highlighted. Marthali,
Okay.
Bellanduru, Kormangala, Singa.
Okay.
So when I go to this, this is the reference of the institute. So I met this person from this place, right? So it's like these kind of interesting details also you can share. You can say, because most of the times you might actually connect. Let's say the website you got it, but you had to go and register over there. So you want to share that physical information of where exactly was this place, where did you go, right?
Mhm.
It's a very little information, but it's a very great information,
Okay.
because most of the times you miss this kind of little informations, and it goes a lot of impact on the overall thing that you're trying to do, right?
True.
Similarly, HSR layout and all those kind of details you can actually go and get. Understood? So it can be so simple, so effective, that it's all about your creativity. There is nothing like you have to only go with gallery or a task, right? It all depends on what you can bring to your idea. What is that you want to do? And
So
whatever
okay.
you want to do, it actually
Uh,
supplies.
in a case if I'm doing any app based onto any healthcare sector, so I can add the patient's
Exactly.
time of
You can build.
admission.
Yeah, yeah. You can build anything. You can build
Okay.
anything. There is
Okay.
nothing like that. It's all about your data.
Okay. 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 So it's
So
not practically applicable that we need to have the data, uploaded in the Google sheet, and then we need to download the same to the app sheet. So even on a spontaneous time, we can upload the same thing simultaneously and get the application done, right?
correct, correct. You can do that. You
Okay.
can see. It all depends on what, because you need some data, right? Without data,
Yes. True. True. True.
how you start?
Yeah.
So it all depends on what kind of data. Either you use the
Okay.
predefined data, or you can use an existing data, or you can use some data that actually helps, right?
Yes. Got it.
So these are the different variants that you can try, and you can use the best way possible.
Right. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So any other questions you have, Almantu?